Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best foldable treadmills of 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. Goplus 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. This foldable treadmill is an excellent pick for those who like to alternate between walking and running throughout the day. Unlike other foldable treadmills, it lays flat on the ground and comes with risers that you can lift up when you're ready to run. Not only is this treadmill super easy to fit under a bed or couch, it only takes up 5 inches when folded, but it's a great choice for home offices if you want an under-desk treadmill to keep you active during work hours. In addition to featuring integrated Bluetooth speakers and multiple color designs, this treadmill comes with a remote so you can easily adjust your speed when the risers are lowered. Just one caveat, you won't be able to adjust the machine's incline. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Exercise Treadmills. Another affordable foldable treadmill, this pick from Sunny Health and Fitness is a great machine for walking and jogging in the comfort of your home, particularly if you're tight on space. It features a manual incline that you can adjust to 3 unique heights, though you can upgrade to a model with auto incline for an extra cost. While this treadmill will endure the fastest sprints and will only take you up to 9 miles per hour, our pros like that it includes 9 built-in programs and features a display where you can quickly adjust your speed with the push of a button. Our pros do warn, however, that the running belt is 49 inches long, about 4 feet, and narrower than most, so it'll feel small if you're used to a larger running belt. Number 3. Echelon Stride Treadmills. If saving space is your top priority, look no further than the Echelon Stride. This compact treadmill folds up to a height of just 10 inches to lay flat against the wall or easily slide under most beds. Our pros love that it features a 4.6-foot running belt that will suit most runners, and that it reaches speeds up to 12 miles per hour, which is a higher max speed than most foldable treadmills. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill strikes the perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among consumers with over 11,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. Though the treadmill doesn't feature a digital screen, it comes with a 5-inch LCD display that tracks your time and speed and enables you to choose from 12 programmed workouts. But if you want to adjust the incline, you can only choose from 3 heights and you'll have to do so manually. Our pros recommend this pick for casual walkers or beginner runners, while more advanced runners might need a machine with a wider running belt and more features. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 1407M Foldable Manual Walking Treadmill. Our pros love this affordable foldable treadmill for avid walkers looking to get some extra steps in. Its super compact design can be easily folded for upright storage, and it features a small digital monitor to help you track time, distance, and more. While we wouldn't recommend this treadmill for serious runners, we do love that it doesn't need to be plugged into an outlet so you can keep it anywhere you want in your home. Because it's operated manually, the belt will only go as quickly as the speed you walk or run. Just keep in mind that the incline is fixed at 13.5% and the running belt is shorter and more narrow than other foldable treadmills.